Hey guys, today's I cannot talk today. Oh my god. Today, this role play will be called Snowstorm. If I can freaking talk. Okay, I'm just gonna see what the weather is. I'm gonna go. Let's go with actually. Nah, I'm just gonna go here. So beautiful outside. I love my blossom tree. My blossom tree is so cute. I should wake up Mina. Mina, wake up, honey. Good morning, mommy. Good morning, honey. Come on, let's go to the bathroom. Because you probably need to use it. Leaves the door open. Starts snowing. Hold on, I need to make it snow. Starts snowing. Snows onto the floor. Hold on, honey. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, mommy. Why is the cat meowing like that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Pushes snow on the porch or something. I don't know. Close it! Hurry! Close it! There's still a little bit of snow in here, but that's fine. I can just get it with something. I don't know. Gets it with a piece of paper. And now let's throw it in the garbage. Okay. Whew, that was a close one. Okay. Mommy. Wait. Mommy, I'm done. Oh, okay, honey. Mommy, I'm done. Okay, I'm coming. I don't have any tissues. Guys, I didn't get them tissues. I don't know why. Wait, I'm so stupid. Okay. If you're wondering how to do that, just get a toilet and give me the freaking toilet and put a stack of toilet paper behind it, and wham bam, yes ma'am, you got yourself a dispenser of toilet paper, man. Okay, let me just get the dispenser. Okay. Let's wipe. Okay, let's throw this in the garbage. Okay, come on, honey. Okay, mommy. No, not you. Oh, that's how I flush the toilet. Okay. Okay, come on, honey. Let's go change your clothes. Okay, mommy. Do you have anything that's warm? Guys, I can't today. Don't mind why I have that. No, not you. Not you. Okay. That. Guys, have you heard the new the Cat's Eye song that goes like, hating me is like all you do, breakfast to dinner. I don't know if you guys have heard it or not, but I have, and it's so good. Like, I literally listen to it every single day. Hating me is like all you do, breakfast to dinner. Algorithm bullet, purple break in your fingers. Thank you for the comments, it's because of all your hate. I am iconic by mistake. I'll just understand me, dance a little crazy. Okay, oh, right here. Okay. Nice and warm. Okay, go sit down on the couch and watch some TV. Okay, Mommy. Can I get on the high chair? Okay, but you have to be careful. Okay. Can you bring me up? Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, let's go. Don't mind the background noise. My brother is playing my piano. Okay, what do you want to watch? Bubble Guppies. They don't have Bubble Guppies on this TV. I have to keep adding stuff for y'all. Okay, one more thing I'm gonna add, y'all, and that's it. I promise. Unless I need to add something else, but I promise. Okay, let's put Bubble Guppies. There you go. Bubble Guppy Guppies. Aww, you're so cute. Okay, I have to go tell Zoe that there's like a snowstorm and we have to go to the store right now. Zoe, can I come in? Zoe. Oh yeah, Mom. Can I come in? Sure. Hi, honey. Yeah, what's up, Mom? I just wanted to come in and tell you that we have to go to the store right now because, what? But what? There's a snowstorm and, like, I left the door open for, like, 5 seconds. And when I came back in my room, there was, like, snow everywhere. Can I see? No, because I already pushed it back outside. Oh, okay. Well, okay, is Mina awake? Yeah. Okay, let me just get dressed. Okay. I'm gonna have something to eat. So good. Okay. Since it's a snowstorm, I might as well just wear this. Let me get my phone, cause not my stapler. I'm ready, Mom. Okay, honey. I need to change too. Okay, Mom. Okay, let me change. Okay. So good. Guys, pretend she has the stick and she's throwing it away. Okay, let's throw it away. Okay. Do I need to bring the cat? Nah. Let me just lock the door. Okay. Honey, come on, we're going to the store. What? Okay, Mommy, can you get me down? Okay. Come on. Okay. She set sail. Ooh, good thing. Ooh, not my thing. Ooh, I'm back. with my sisters, Christopher. I need to make somebody work here, y'all. Been the hell and back with my sisters, Christopher. Been the hell and back with my sisters, Christopher. What was I going to add? Was I going to add something? Oh yeah, I was. Guys, I knew. This is the last thing. I actually promise this is the last thing. What the Sigma? No! Oh, I don't even want to be here. Sissy, knock it off. Yeah, Zoe, knock it off. Oh, whatever. Okay. Hi, ma'am. It only costs you $5 to be here. You don't have to pay for anything you buy. Okay, well, here. Shh, shh. Okay, there's your bag. Okay, thank you. No, not you. Thank you. You will go. Yeah, you have to pay for being here, too. No, I'm with them. Yeah, I've heard that a lot. No, she's my daughter. She's actually with me. Oh, well, this is embarrassing. Go right in. Okay, I guess. Anyways. Okay, let's see what's in here. Some carrots. We need this. Let's just get some of this toast. Some peaches. Oh, it's full already. Do you have any more bag? Eat that. We need another bag. Oh my god, guys, I said this will be the last one. Oh my god. Hold up. Whatever, Mom. Let's go get some cheesy bop. Oh, whatever. Don't talk to me like that, young lady. Close that. Close it! Let's get some lemon. Let's get some more like freezies. Oh no, we can't. Okay. Okay, let's go home. Okay, Mom. Don't talk to me like that. Okay, whatever. Okay. Your imagination got me going viral. Guys, pretend the door is closed because I can't move the character if the doors are closed. Okay, Mom, we're home. Okay, do you have the keys? No, I'm your daughter. Why am I supposed to have the keys? Oh, yeah, right. Oh, they're in my pocket. Let me just put this down. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, Mom. Baby, we found love right where we are. We found love right where we are. All of her children are sleeping in her room with her. Just for tonight, because, yeah. So where do we put the food? We put the food, oh, here. Okay. Now can I go watch my phone? Yes, honey, but when I tell you to come here, okay? Okay. It's for your safety. Safety what, Mom? It's just a snowstorm. Yeah, and if the snowstorm gets to you, you can, like, get lost in the snow and you can barely breathe. And then, okay, you don't have to give me a whole entire life story. God. I'm not giving you a life story. She always thinks everything is a life story. Yeah, tell me about it. Okay. You wanna go in your bed? Yeah. Okay. No, with the Sigma. Okay. Okay, I need to get in something warm. Guys, the reason I'm not moving my characters right now is because, like, I'm doing something, and I want to ask you something. Does your eye ever burn for, like, not burn, but, like, does it hurt for 1 second, and then, like, tears start coming out? Not coming out, but, like, start forming in your eyes? Like, does that ever happen to you? Because it happens to me. So, yeah. Wait, what am I doing? Okay, I'm gonna lay down too. 5 to 10 minutes later. Ning, 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 ning. It's almost nighttime. It's already nighttime. Guys, I don't have the sunset for this house because, like, it only does it with the new houses. It doesn't do it with the old houses. So, okay. Let me just go to her to come. Zoe, may I come in, please? For what, Mom? Do you have to come in, or can you just tell me outside the door? I would like to come in, please. Okay. Hi, honey. What's up, Mom? You have to come to my room now. Why can't I just sleep in my room? Because your window isn't locked. Okay, well then lock it. Okay. But you're still sleeping in my room. Okay, I just need to take my skincare off. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's just take my skincare off. My mascara. My blush. I'll go throw this away now. Your imagination got me going viral. Life's a simulation got me in a spiral. Okay, iconic by mistake. 24/7, more like 25/8. Honestly, are you okay? Your digital footprint is looking so insane. Oh wait, I have to do the dance. Boo, 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 guppy, guppy, guppies. Oh my god, shut up. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna record a TikTok. Let me get my ring light. What you gonna do, honey? Record a TikTok? Okay. Let's turn it off. 2, 2, 1, ding. Okay. Honestly, are you okay? Hating me is like all you do. Breakfast to dinner. Algorithm bulletproof for breaking your fingers. Thank you for the comments. It's because of all your hate. I am iconic by mistake. I am iconic by mistake. Whoop. Okay, let's see how it turned out. I am iconic by mistake. Honestly, are you okay? Hating me is like all you do. Breakfast to dinner. Algorithm bulletproof for breaking your fingers. Thank you for the comments. It's because of all your hate. I am iconic by mistake. I am iconic by mistake. Oh my god. Etigo! Can you like not play that anymore?
Why are you calling me?
You don't want no reason. Okay, don't mind that, guys. Just
Dada, why you keep calling me? Why
because the piano is too loud. You want to sit down here with Tata?
But you want me to show you?
Yeah, hold on, guys. Okay, if you hear like background noise, don't mind it because that's either my parents watching TV, my brother's iPad, or my brother like playing the piano.
The piano.
Okay, that's perfect.
Daddy, you play the piano.
Okay, Tico, hold on a second. Guys, I'm not using his real name. I think we forgot to close that. I'm actually starting to get tired. Actually, no, I'm putting this back in my backpack. Gimme! What? Oh my god, don't mind how she was doing that. I accidentally tapped on it. Don't mind that. Okay, what should I wear for bed? I'm just gonna wear this.
Dada, hurry up.
Okay, hold on. No, not that. No!
Hurry up. Dada, hurry up.
I actually might just fall asleep right now. I'm very tired. Mom, I'm very falls asleep on mattress. Oh no! Oh, I guess she was very tired. Well, everybody's asleep, so. Snow like comes in through the top of the thing. Okay, guys, now pretend that it's morning. I just need to like. Ding, 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 ding. I don't know where it's coming from. Oh, it's morning. Wait, no, pretend she says it. Oh, it's morning. I better go to sleep because I'm still super tired. Okay, let me just get some of this. Don't mind that, guys. I'm just gonna get some cheesy guac. I'm gonna make like something. No! Eat that. Okay, for mom. And for little sis, she can have this. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna eat my cheesy guac. Should I go out there or should I just eat it like in the living room? I'll go get my phone. Okay. First TikTok that pops up. Honestly, are you okay? Your digital footprint is looking so insane. Hating me is like all you do. Oh my god, scroll. Scroll. Hating me is like all you do. Scroll. Breakfast to dinner. Scroll. Algorithm bulletproof breaking your fingers. Scroll. Thank you for the scroll. Comment for scroll. I almost said scroll. comments because for your hate. I am iconic by mistake. Oh my god, it's one of those TikTok videos. I'm just gonna watch some YouTube. Okay. Let's eat cheesy bob. That's so good. I'm actually gonna go get like something. Dolls wrapper in the garbage. So good. Hey guys, today I'm going to be ignoring my family for 24 hours. Scroll. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to dance to Golden by K-pop Demon Hunters. I don't even like K-pop Demon Hunters. Scroll. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to dance to Gnarly. Oh, I want to see this. Okay. I forgot the lyrics. I'm the beep. I'm the beep. Not, I'm the beep. I'm the beep. Guys, that's not actually what they say. Not gnarly, not gnarly. Yes, 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 yes. Just of my mention. Yeah, the view is freaking gnarly. Oh, okay, maybe I will do a TikTok about it later. No, not my cheesy, but my fun popper, my frosty whatever. Okay, stick in there. I might as well just go outside, but I need to go change. And plus, there's not even that much snow. Oh wait, I need to do my skincare. I don't even care if it gets washed away in the thingy. Okay. Let's go outside. I don't know where. Hold on. Guys, should I like delete this? Guys, I'm so sorry this roleplay is taking too long. I personally do not know how much time it's been, but if you guys know, comment it down below because I don't know. I don't have to decorate this freaking house. Hurry up, you dumb bum. Guys, you know what I'm gonna do to make it look like it's like snowy? If you say no, I don't care. If you say yes, okay, I'll show you. I just need to take like all this stupid stuff out of there. Now, I go like all the way down to like this wallpaper, the clouds, and I put it on the walls. And then I get like a rug. Me personally, I would use this cloud one. It's just much better for me, I guess. Yeah. I would personally use this one. And this is how I would do it. Guys, this is gonna take forever at this point. I don't even know. But it feels like an eternity since I had you here with me. Since I had to learn to be someone you don't know. To be with you in paradise. Oh, no, 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 sacrifice. Cause I want this world alone. I want this world alone. Okay, that's what I do to make it look like it's snowing. Oh my god, it looks like sand. Don't mind that. Get out. Okay. Oh, it's so snowy. Foot gets stuck in snow. Whoa. Whee! Guys, pretend it's like a hill. Whee! Ow, my bum. My bing bop boom 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 bop bing. My booty bop bing bang boom. My bing bang boom 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 bop bing. Bing bop boom 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 bop bam. Bing bop boom 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 bop bam. Bing bop boom 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 bop bam. Fly like, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got pieces of my name. Come on, I'm making more net. Okay, I'm gonna go up the hill. Whew. It's harder going up than down. Mom comes. Guys, pretend they ate breakfast and everything. I wanna go. Honey, wait. Get stuck in snow. Mommy, help me. I told you to wait. Let me grab your arms. It's more full of snow. Okay, I'm going up the hill. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, Maya. Answer. Hi, Maya. Hi, Zoe. Did you forget my name? Yeah, just for a second. I have too many friends. Okay, true. I'm literally playing in the snow right now. And my sister and my mom aren't even know. Wah! What happened? You guys scared me. Oh, sorry. It's fine. Girl, what happened? Oh, it's just on my mom and my sister scared me. Oh, it's fine. Yeah. Watch me go down the hill. I'm going to put you at the bottom of the hill. Hold on. Okay, I'm watching. Okay. Girl, I can only see snow. Okay, now I can see you. an hour of playing in the snow. Puts face in snow. Okay, Mom, I'm done playing in the snow. Yeah, me too. Okay. Okay, let's open the door. I'm not getting in there. Let's close the door. Let's just eat this. Good night, world. Okay, guys, that will be the end of today's roleplay. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it. So, yeah.